into NYC. I would not drive inside NYC. Yeah, I know. Ants everywhere. Tiny ones though. Clutch can feel us. I wish I had sanitizer. Should we save these? I think we should save them. See, I can transport these much easier than the cake. So I'm not going to eat both slices of the cake right now. He didn't give me forks or a knife. Shit. Fuck me. I guess we're going to get dirty. Fuck me. Let's really eat at my mom's house, which I really don't feel like doing right now. The damn USB is fucking up. We should be back now. Okay, good. No fork. Look at that beauty right there. Should I grab it with my hands? How should I eat this? Or should I go back and get a fork and knife? I don't know. I could clean my hands. I have napkins, I think. Maybe not. I don't know. Filipino style. Should I go back?
Slipstream JC says pinch fingers.
No. I don't have sanitizer. I don't even have napkins on me. I don't think. No, I don't think so. Shit. I think my shit crashed.
Slipstream JC says I would open the box and edge the cake to the edge to bite.
Oh Jesus, that would be so cringe. So cringe. Cringe. Can you see the moon up there? Right there? I can see moon clear as day. There's so many good restaurants here I want to try. Like that one, Mocha, Omaka.
Slipstream JC says why cringe? You're cringe.
I ain't cringe. I look cringy sometimes. Some good restaurants. Cabana. Did I try that one? Japanese. Narita. Japanese cuisine. So much good food here. And it's right by my mom's house, like it's easy to get to. Where did we eat this? Where did we get this from? I don't remember now. I think it's over there. I think.
Slipstream
Oh,
JC says mom docs.
Right there. Oh no. She doesn't live like right here. But we take a bus. But it's like easy to get to. Alright.
Do you need napkins and forks?
I do.
Do you need napkins and forks? No. You're good.
Yeah.
How many?
One and napkins, 5 or so.
Oh, it's only one. Sorry.
Yep, thank you. There we go. She gave me 2. How nice of her. There we go back.
Jimmy Alpha says 5 napkins, please.
Yeah, 5 napkins. Just 5. Empanada. Empanadas. They should have two around here.
Domas Young GDP says 1 for now, 4 for later tonight in bed.
That's true. Ugh, I'm gonna try to transport it. It's gonna be like, difficult without like crushing it. We need 2 toots around here in New York City. Imagine if 2 toots was around here. Uber before I go out of business. Have on here. Oh, Bangkok cuisine. Ooh, Thai culinary art since 1974. We didn't go there. Such good food around here. So many options. Is Cook stuck offline? I think he is, right? I have to go get a flight. He should be on that flight right now. Or in the airport, at least. Alright, now we're back where we were. Right here. Now we can enjoy it. There we go. There we go. Oh man, I fucked it up. Fell. Ah. I'm gonna eat this. 3 layers. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yeah. So good. I wish you could have one camera on my face and one camera on the food. Tastes like it was made today. Seems fresh. So good. Yum, yummy.
Foodie, he says TT.
I didn't realize I lost connection. It looks like I'm back on the phone. God damn, look at that. Oh, that was so good. Shit. So good. Messy as hell, but so good. Oh, I should have got fries at the Shake Shack. Maybe we can still get it. Who knows? I really shouldn't, because like I'm like pre-diabetic right now. I'm not like Kondo. I don't need insulin or anything like that. I just found out that I'm pre-diabetic. But I can turn it around if I don't eat sugar. Let's not eat any sugar for 1 year. It should be fine. I don't think that's gonna be possible. Like everything has sugar. Like all the fruits have sugar. Some good shit. Martha's Country Bakery. Established 1972. 50 years ago. My God. 50 years. OMG. I need sanitizer. For real. I need to go to the department store to buy sanitizer at. Are we still live? Yeah, we're still alive.
Jimmy Alpha says you are right.
Thank you. I'm pre-diabetic, by the way. Oh no. I have to work harder this year on my diet than last year. Jesus. Aw, they took his super soaker or whatever, Nerf gun. He's crying about it. I need to get CVS.
Mako Waka says J Stretch.
What's the matter with you?
Make sure to follow Maka Waka. How you be? How's the Bay Area? How do you find me? Are you on my Discord?
Mako Waka says I'm alright.
Good. We're just here getting diabetes, unfortunately.
Mako Waka says no. I scrolled through just chatting.
Whoa. Am I just chatting? I don't even remember now. Interesting. Do you know who I am? Don't say the name though, if you know who I am. But just say yes.
Mako Waka says of course.
Oh, okay, good. Okay, just don't say that. I like to keep themes separate.
Mako Waka says you're Dale Dasher.
Yeah, exactly. Hit that subscribe button. Or dash away. D-SW. D-SW. Was it SW? For the sweat one? D-SW. We got so much. We have another slice of cake in here, and like whatever it's called, cookies, and a cupcake, coconut cupcake. Diabetes, here we go. We're gonna aim for diabetes. Unfortunately. I'm almost 40 years old. And I'm about to hit diabetes at 40. I thought I was gonna hit diabetes at 30, honestly. I drank a lot of soda in my 20s, but not anymore. I don't drink that much soda in my 30s. Ooh. Ooh. Oh. Not going to CVS to get some sanitizer. Sanitizer. This is where we always go in New York City as J Dasher. Always going to CVS. We just need sanitizer. a sanitizer. Liquor department? That's funny. Where I'm from, we can't grab liquor anywhere, anytime. We have to go to like a government store. Where's sanitizer? Oh, hand body lotions? Maybe there. Everything's locked.
Domas Young GDP says at Makawaka LOL.
Yeah.
Domas Young GDP says hey buddy. CM and YCTV says I'm back home.
Congrats, Sam. Did you eat your food yet? Oh, there it is. I walked by it. I'm gonna buy this one. Oh no, it's too big.
CM and YCTV says I got yellow rice with beef and broccoli.
That is yellow rice. Are you talking about fried rice? That's not yellow rice. I don't know where the line is.
I'm gonna get a gun too. How's it the owner, the creator of Yu-Gi-Oh died? Creator. You know what's crazy about like creative work like that?
Oh, we sanitize.
His mind created something so integral to our lives. Yeah, I think that Mario.
CM and YCTV says use yellow rice. I'm eating at home. Domas Young GDP says at Makawaka really good eye at Makawaka.
Use yellow rice.
Domas Young GDP says I had to have a person link it to me.
Yes, brand. Behind the back.
Thank you what? What did it thank you?
Domas Young GDP says couldn't spell it right haha.
Haha.
Domas Young GDP says shake that makaluo.
Yeah, of course.
Oh, it is?
Total is 511.
It's all the way down.
You're back? Perfect. Okay, you're all set. Thank you.
Thank you. Shake it, that mother up. You gotta shake the sanitizer, it's very important. It also won't work. Oh man. Strawberries for $1 each. A whole pack of these, $1 each. That's a steal, dude. That is a steal. I'll take 2 of the strawberry. Thank you. Oh, it's a steal, dude. It's only a pain in the ass taking it back home, though, but it's a steal. It's a steal. Chat. If you see a whole box A whole container of strawberries for $1. That's a steal. Look at the sky. The sky is really pretty. Watch me with chemicals and stuff. Yeah. That was it. Alright, it's 15 minutes to 9. What else can we do around here? There's nothing else we can do, especially with all this shit in my hand. And no more money. No money, no money. No gunny. Oh, I'm tired. Eat some strawberries. We're gonna get fat. More fat, I mean. Oh. I stopped. Okay. Jesus. Really gets approached by cops. Let's watch a clip. I can't see it. I don't think that's it. Nope. It doesn't want me to see it though. Oh man. It wants me to only open it in the app. Because of the douche. There we go. Oof, he went to BRB. Oh, went to mute. Because he knew he had to approach him anyways.
Tomas Young GDP says was watching this guy the other day.
Really? He's cool. He's a good guy. I'm gonna visit him in Houston.
Tomas Young GDP says relic.
Yeah, relic. I'm gonna visit Houston. I'm gonna visit him while he's doing like the haunted house thing, because he helps run a haunted house in Houston. I'm gonna be there in October for my stream, for my Halloween stream, my Halloween special. I can't stream in certain areas. That's what he said, but I'm welcome.
Tomas Young GDP says sounds fun.
Yeah, we'll be there live. He's gonna do his thing as one of the clowns. And I'm gonna live stream it. I can't stream all of it though, unfortunately. But I understand. It's business. Hopefully he has time to, you know, have lunch or dinner with me. Either on stream or off stream, doesn't matter. Hopefully. Tokyo. Oh, did I not use my sanitizer yet? No, I didn't use my sanitizer yet. Oh, a little bit watery. Oof. Feels good, actually. Sanitizer is very, very important, chat. Keep your hands safe and healthy. Your hands is the goalkeeper of your mouth and your body.
Domas Young GDP says rub rub.
Yeah, rub rub. There's a rub rub right there. I don't know if you can see it from here. Rub rub. Did you see, Thomas? I got strawberries, $1 each. $1 each. That's insane. The good part about New York City is cheap produce for the most part. Like the cheapest produce I've seen in my life.
Domas Young GDP says great bargain.
Oh yeah. Oh no, where else you can get cheaper? In my town, in Pennsylvania, it's like $2. That's the cheapest. That's only in Walmart. And like outside Walmart, it's like $4. In the same town. It's insane. We're waiting for the bus, the city bus. I'm gonna go on the bus, walk around a little bit, and should be over. We'll probably be ended by like 9:30, probably, or just about 10. That's a big bumblebee. Bumblebee, bumblebee, bumblebee. Alright, there's the bus. Well, the cupcake once I get back. So like, once you get off the bus.